We're looking at the zucchini out here in the field. Middle of July. Planted middle of May, basically, or 20th. So got some other squash over here. Sweet corn beyond that. Just out here picking a few of these. Got some in my arms here. A couple real big ones and on the ground, and then two here. Anyway, a glimpse of the field from the farm. Late evening, about 8:30. Plants are looking good. Never fertilized except one foliar feeding, and then my miracle solution I spray on every week or 10 days. They really took off here recently, so good green color. Good time of night to be out here viewing. And they're coming on pretty strong. Thanks for watching.